So
Yeah.
what does like
So
a day of eating for you like look like in terms of like what are some of the things that you pay attention to?
so hmm. So also I attended this last year. I attended this I was fortunate to attend this very eye-opening 3-day workshop. It was not about veganism. It was about optimal health and natural living and this and that. So they taught me this whole concept of circadian
Hmm.
cycle, where just like sun rises and so on and so forth, the Earth goes through a cycle, and because of we are part of this ecosystem, our bodies also go through every day go to a certain cycle. So for example, in the mornings, roughly from 4 a.m. to whatever, yeah, like if you divide it into 8 hours kind of a thing, from morning 4 a.m. around, the main function, obviously the body will continue pumping blood and it will continue digesting food and it will whatever, but in the mornings the main function of the body is to push out all the
Hmm.
toxins, right? So now the whole if you have the right knowledge, then you know what is the right thing which you can do, or right food can you give to your body to help
Yeah.
that process. If you're doing that, then your toxins are getting flushed out. So so and so again, if I put some first thing in the morning, I wake up, do whatever little workout I do, or I even if you don't do any workout, if you put something in your body which takes a lot of time and effort to
Yeah.
digest, then the focus is now shifted to
Hmm.
digestion from removing of
Hmm.
toxins. So then if this keeps on happening over the years, then you start suffering with problems and skin problems or whatever, constipation or
Yeah.
whatever. So the perfect food provided by nature, which is quickest to digest and gives you instant energy, is
Fruits.
fruits. It's most of it is
Right.
water, right? And the rest is fiber and sugar,
Yeah.
natural sugar. So that is what I start my day with. It's nothing but fruits. And the beauty of fruits is you don't need to have this fruit or that fruit or any seasonal fruit which you
Yeah.
like, whatever amount, till you feel hungry, you can eat it. So that's my first thing which I eat every day. At least I try to eat
Yeah.
every day. I might skip once or once. Then lunch is a simple home cooked meal with a portion of steamed rice and some form of protein. I make sure that I have sprouts daily, which is high in protein and
Right.
fiber. So it could be a lentil based sprout or a chickpea based sprout or something like that. And with that, your seasonal vegetables or or some dal or something,
Hmm.
a
Yeah.
basic meal. But before taking that meal, I ensure that I am having a good portion of
Yeah.
salad, which
Fine.
prepares my gut for the cooked food which is about
Yeah.
to come. So it aids the digestion, because cooked food ultimately consumes a lot of
Yeah.
energy in
Cooked
digestion.
food. Wait one second.
So in all
Cooked
honest,
food consumes a lot of
yeah,
energy in digestion. Oh,
yes,
I
yes,
I always
yeah.
believed it was the opposite. Like I believe we cooked food to make it easy to digest.
No, we cook food to make it easy to consume, not
Got it.
digest.
So like we can consume larger
Yeah,
quantities of food if it's cooked.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Also, it's more palatable, right? So, like, if I ask you to keep on eating carrots the whole day, you will not. Then you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying. But the lesser the cooked food, I'm not saying completely go off cooked food. Cooked food has its own advantages to have a
Yeah.
balanced meal, because all your legumes, your lentils, everything is, you cannot consume that
Yeah.
raw. That's obviously you
Yeah,
need
and
to
also
come.
like
So, but one
if you're
portion,
going through leafies like suppose if you're having like cauliflower or
mm,
like broccoli or something, you'd want to
mm,
cook
mm,
that because of
mm.
the can be
Yeah, at least steam them or some, yeah, steam them and
yeah.
this thing. So that is my lunch. By the evening, and you might have noticed this, generally what happens by the evening, everybody starts feeling very, very
Yeah. Yeah.
hungry. for some reason, right? And then you crave for that snack. And it happens with most of the people, it happens that they are very disciplined till evening, and then something goes wrong and they pick up something wrong, and then they
Yeah.
binge. Why is that happening? Is because by the evening your body is asking for
Yeah.
energy which it can store for the next day's
Got
functioning.
it.
So at that point, in the evenings, I consume a handful of nuts. It could be anything, almonds or
Right.
whatever. A palmful of nuts. You can consume them like that also, or you can grind them and make a paste out of it, and or add some water. So
You keep it
whatever,
simple
you
though.
can experiment. So play with, yeah, I keep it simple. You can play with textures if you like cooking or whatever. So nuts or and seeds, these are things which you consume in the evening. So if you roast it without salt, of course, then it kind of becomes a
Yeah.
snack in the evening. Dinner is again some kind of basic cooked food. It could be the same thing which I had in lunch. So I'm just
Yeah.
giving you an example. So it starts, and again some portion of green leafy veggies to help my this thing digestion. So this is all you need. So this covers everything. So it covers your
Yeah.
carbs, it covers your fiber, it covers your protein. The nuts cover your good fat.
This sounds like a really
Most
healthy
about it.
diet, man. Sounds super healthy. It reminds